What is up, guys? In today's video I will be showing you guys this super cool secret diagnose mode on your 350Z, V35, G35, 370Z, G37. All Nissan Infiniti cars will have this secret mode. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is super easy. You want to have your key, you want to put it into the ignition, and then you want to have it to the on position. So you do 2 click to ACC and then on. And then what you do is, see this push button here, the click. So you want to push on that for 10 times. And then you want to turn your key to off position, and then turn your key back onto the on position, and then the wiper will start going, and then it will check all the relays, your radiator fans and everything. So let me show you guys. So you put your key in there to on position, and then push that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it off and turn it back on. Alright, you can see it start diagnosing. The wiper checks the headlight. It's a low beam. Now it's the high beam. And you can hear this relay clicking. And you can hear the fan. So yeah, pretty much I'll do it all over again. So yeah, I just thought this is pretty cool little feature that you guys might find it helpful. You know, before you buy your G35 or 350Z, or you know, any Nissan vehicle, you can do this little check. And if the computer sees there's any problem with it, it will throw a code on your dash. If your car has the push button thing, which say the 370Z, the G37, V30, the V36 have the push button, what you can do is you push the button 5 times, I think, and then you push the door click thing for 10 times, and then you push the button for another 3 times, and then it should start diagnosing. If you are wanting more of these Nissan or VQ or stuff like that, the little trick, follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll have plenty of G35, 350Z contents coming. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.